Welcome to another adventure with VueX, y'all. This time, we're whisked away to the breathtaking country of Nepal. Get ready to be mesmerized by towering mountains, ancient temples, and vibrant culture. Over the next 7 days, we'll journey through Nepal's most iconic destinations, experiencing its magic firsthand. So buckle up, and let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Touchdown in Kathmandu, the energetic capital of Nepal. The moment you step off the plane, you're greeted by the sights, sounds, and smells of this vibrant city. Our first stop? The iconic Swayambhunath Stupa, also known as the Monkey Temple. Now, don't be fooled by the name. It's not just monkeys running around. This place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with panoramic views of the entire Kathmandu Valley. Next, we'll dive into the heart of Kathmandu, Thamel. This bustling neighborhood is a sensory overload in the best way possible. Imagine colorful shops, delicious street food, and a constant buzz of activity. We'll spend the evening exploring the local markets, grabbing some dinner, and soaking up the lively atmosphere. And for our first night, we'll be staying at a cozy guest house right in the heart of Thamel. It's the perfect home base for our Nepalese adventure. Trust me, you'll sleep like a baby after a day like this. Good morning from Bhaktapur, y'all. This ancient city is like stepping back in time. We're talking cobblestone streets, red brick buildings, and temples around every corner. Our first stop is the Bhaktapur Durbar Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This square is home to some of Nepal's most impressive architecture, including the 55-window palace. Can you imagine having 55 windows in your house? That's a lot of curtains to keep clean. But seriously, the craftsmanship and detail in these buildings will blow you away. And while you're in Bhaktapur, you have to try the famous Juju Dao, also known as king curd. This creamy yogurt is a local specialty, and it's absolutely delicious. We'll spend the afternoon wandering through Bhaktapur's charming streets, soaking up the atmosphere, and maybe even trying our hand at pottery. Tonight, we'll be staying in a traditional guest house overlooking the city. Get ready for another incredible day exploring Nepal's hidden gems. Get ready to be wowed by the beauty of Pokhara, also known as the City of Lakes. This picturesque city is nestled amidst rolling hills and boasts stunning views of the Annapurna mountain range. Our first stop is Fiwa Lake, the second largest lake in Nepal. We'll hop on a colorful wooden boat and glide across the tranquil waters, taking in the breathtaking scenery. Next, we'll head to the International Mountain Museum, a fascinating museum dedicated to the history of mountaineering in the Himalayas. You'll learn about famous expeditions, see artifacts from past climbs, and gain a newfound appreciation for the bravery of mountain climbers. In the evening, we'll stroll along the lakeside, enjoying the cool mountain air and the vibrant atmosphere. Pokhara is a place to relax, unwind, and soak up the natural beauty of Nepal. We'll be staying in a cozy lakeside hotel with stunning views of the mountains. Get ready for a peaceful night's sleep and another day of adventure. Rise and shine, early birds! Today's all about experiencing the Himalayas in all their glory. We're heading to Sarangkot, a hilltop village famous for its panoramic views of the Annapurna range. And trust me, you've never seen a sunrise like this before. As the first rays of light hit the snow-capped peaks, the sky explodes in a kaleidoscope of colors. It's a truly unforgettable sight. But hold on tight, because our adventure doesn't end there. After our breathtaking sunrise experience, it's time to take to the skies for a paragliding adventure. Imagine soaring through the air, with the wind in your hair and the Himalayas spread out beneath you. It's an adrenaline rush like no other, and a once-in-a-lifetime experience you won't want to miss. After our adrenaline-pumping adventure, we'll head back to Pokhara for a well-deserved rest. Chapter 5: Chitwan National Park, where wildlife roams free. Get ready for a wild adventure as we journey to Chitwan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to an incredible array of wildlife. This park is a haven for nature lovers, with lush jungles, grasslands, and wetlands teeming with life. We'll hop on a jeep safari and venture deep into the heart of the jungle, keeping our eyes peeled for rhinos, elephants, crocodiles, and maybe even an elusive Bengal tiger. And speaking of elephants, get ready for an unforgettable experience: an elephant ride through the jungle. These gentle giants will carry us through the dense undergrowth, giving us a unique perspective on this incredible ecosystem. We'll spend the night in a jungle lodge, listening to the sounds of the wild as we drift off to sleep. It's a true escape into nature and a chance to connect with the incredible biodiversity of Nepal. Chapter 6: Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha. Today we journey to a place of peace, tranquility, and spiritual significance. Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha. This sacred site is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a pilgrimage destination for Buddhists from around the world. We'll visit the Maya Devi Temple, the exact spot where Buddha is believed to have been born. The atmosphere here is incredibly serene, and you can't help but feel a sense of peace wash over you. We'll also explore the Lumbini Garden, a beautiful park with monasteries, temples, and monuments from various Buddhist traditions. It's a place to reflect, meditate, and connect with your spiritual side. Tonight, we'll stay in a peaceful guest house in Lumbini, allowing the tranquility of this special place to wash over us. Chapter 7: Patan and Farewell to Nepal. We're back in Kathmandu for our final day in this magical country. But before we say goodbye, we have one last stop: Patan Durbar Square. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is another stunning example of Nepal's rich architectural heritage. We'll wander through the square, admiring the intricate carvings, towering temples, and bustling market stalls. And of course, no trip to Patan is complete without a visit to the Golden Temple, a stunning Buddhist temple covered in gold leaf. As we soak up the last moments of our Nepalese adventure, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible experiences we've shared. From the bustling streets of Kathmandu to the peaceful tranquility of Lumbini, Nepal has captured our hearts. We've witnessed breathtaking landscapes, encountered fascinating cultures, and created memories that will last a lifetime. As we board our flight home, we know that a part of us will always remain in this magical country. Our incredible 7-day adventure through Nepal comes to an end, but the memories will last a lifetime. For 2 people, this trip averages around $2,500, including $350 for accommodation, $400 for domestic flights, $700 for a car rental, $500 for delicious food, and $550 for exciting activities. Pack light clothes for warm days and a jacket for cooler evenings. Temperatures range from 70 degrees Fahrenheit in the lowlands to 50 degrees in the higher altitudes. The best time to visit is during the dry seasons, from October to May. Don't forget comfortable walking shoes for exploring ancient cities and temples. Did you enjoy this itinerary? Would you like me to craft a different one? Perhaps exploring other hidden gems or even venturing into Bhutan or India? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your adventure buddies, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel guides. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.